Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog, Ron's Life Journey. Ayan, for today's video po ay unboxing. Wow! Ito na, this is it. Lazy, mag-unboxing na tayo. I told you, I love this parcel, guys. Look how big it is. Super big, guys, super big. Look, oh. Woo! Super big, guys, oh. Big parcel. Ayan, Chewy. Lika, Chewy, come here. Come here, baby, come here, come here. Come on. Ayan, open na po natin. Ayan. Yes, this parcel, tawag dito. Sponsor po ito, guys. Sponsor po ito ng aking matalik na kaibigan, guys. Ayan. Gusto ko ang parcel na to, guys. Oh my God, excited po ako dito, guys. Super excited po ako dito. Ang nag-sponsor po nito is from UK. Ang name po niya is, ayan, Lazy Days po. Pwede po kayong mag-connect po sa kanya. Yes, please subscribe to his channel. Ayan, Lazy Days. He is my good friend, guys. He always support me. He always spoiled me. Oh my God. Whew, ano to? What is this? Ayan. Whew, pagod. Chewy! No! Chewy! Ay! Akin na yan. Stop. Ayan. Yes, ito po ay mag-sponsor po sa akin si Lazy Days. Gusto ko po talaga to. So, hindi ko po ito mabibili without you guys. To all my super chatter. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. So, nabili ko po ito dahil sa inyo, guys. Thank you so much. Chewy! Chewy, no! No, baby. No. Ayan, makulit po si Chewy, makulit. Makulit po si Chewy. Chewy, alis ka dyan. Alis. No, Chewy. Alis, baby. Madali mata mo, ha? Ayan, thank you so much, Lazy Days. Oh my God. Thank you so much to all my gifters, to all my sender, to my PayPal. Yes, mega love shout out to Steve, 5 Flames. Ayan, mega love shout out to Morris, Martin. Mega love shout out to you guys. Mega love shout out to Will. Ayan, thank you so much, guys. And to Christian Nunez, thank you so much. And to all my my super chatter. Ayan, thank you so much po. Sir Michael Best, thank you. And to Migray, thank you so much, Migray. To George, to my moderator, thank you so much. And to sino pa ba? Ang dami nyo, guys. Thank you to sino ba? Sorry, guys, to all my super chatter, ha. Alam nyo na, you know who are you, guys. Thank you so much, guys, to all your support. Thank you. See? My God. Thank you, Lord. Look, Lazy Days. Lazy. Oh, see? I told you. God, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings, guys. This is it, guys. Lazy Days, look, oh, this is the latest JBL, guys. Latest JBL. Ano ba to? Bluetooth speaker. AI vocal removal from any songs. Tapos, easy songs. Ano pa ba? Ayan, party box on the go. 2 plus po ito. Ayan, oh. Party box on the go. 2 plus. Ayan. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Ang init. Whew. Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda. Super ganda. Buksan na natin. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Lazy Days. Ayan, oh. Ay, thank you, Lord. Stewie! Wait a minute, guys, ha. Ayan. Open na natin, guys. Let's go. Ayan na. Open na natin. Ayan na, guys. Woo, thank you, Lord. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? O, yan. Meron tayong desiccant. Yan, may desiccant tayo. Oh my God. Paano natin ito open? Ang bigat. Ang bigat, guys, ah. Ayan na. Woo! Ang bigat. Ang ganda. Oh my God. This is it na, guys. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Look, ah. Very secured, guys. The packaging is perfect. Excellent. Oh my goodness. Where's that? Ang pawis ko, ah. Pawis ko, guys, oh. Whew. Okay. Continue. Oh my God! Hala! Hala! Taranan! Hala! Ang ganda, guys, oh! Super ganda, nice! Super nice, guys! Super nice! Uy, pinapawisan ako doon. Ayan na, guys, oh! Wow! Asan na yung ano nito? Power. Meron ditong ano, guys. Another box. There's another box here. Ayan, oh. What is this? Sana. Ang init. Ano to? Paano to, guys, ha? Can you help me? This one. Okay. Whew. Oh, this one, guys, the inclusion of the party box, guys. Ayan, meron siyang on the go string for this party box, so you can use it outside if you want to, you know, go outside and then chill. And we have, taran! This one, pawis na ako, guys, oh. Ang init. Whew, ang init, guys. Wait. This one is the microphone. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ang ganda, guys, oh. Oh, 2 microphone. Meron tayong ano, backup. Ayan. Lalo na kapag may party. Ayan, magkakaroon tayo ng sing-along. Ayan, sing-along. Alalalala. Lalalala. Wow. Hello, Taz Mike. Hello. Hello. Copy nga natin. Hello. Ayan na, naka-open na siya, oh. Ayan, with ano to yata to? Pwede siyang i-charge, guys. Pwede siyang i-charge. Ayan, oh. Wow. Wait, guys, ha. Okay na. Off na natin. Ayan. And meron pa tayong, ayan, meron tayong mga cord, guys. Cord. Ayan, may cord tayo. And this one, I don't know what is this, guys. And the manual. The manual, guys. See? Wow. Manual. So, this is tawag dito, brand new, guys. Brand new party box. Pinagpawisan ako, guys, oh. Pawis. Ang init, guys. Super hot in the Philippines. And another, safety instruction and warranty card. Yahoo! What is this? The other one. Okay. Ano to? Wait a minute. This one. You can plug to the directly sa kuryente, guys. Sa electricity. Yan na. Open natin, guys. I don't know how to open this one, guys, ha? See? Kailangan ng cellphone. Thank you, Lazy Days, and to all my supporters, to all who send super chat, PayPal, gift. Thank you so much, guys. Without you guys, I can't buy this party box, guys. I can use this every time I am outside and then doing Zumba. I can use this, guys. Thank you so much. Yes, you can subscribe to Lazy Days. Yes, please subscribe, guys, and connect to his channel. Thank you so much. Yes, like and subscribe, guys, to Ron's Life Journey. Road to 17K na po